Hello, are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so so yesterday we started seeing that case and code and a few example, right? So today we'll go for a practical with joins and subquery. Then we'll start the remaining object, like materialized view theoretically and synonym sequence index. Okay, so then we can consider as a SQL. Almost 80% we completed, but the SQL function, non-mathematical function, already I had given that, in the material, you can go through. There is some interview question in SQL, frequently asking the questions that we'll discuss. Okay, so today we'll go. I'm opening my SQL developer. Wait for another minute. Once it will open, we'll start. No, it's shared Vandana. Okay, let's talk to her. So I already shared it. Really not received. Let me share one more time. I'll talk to her. Okay. I'll ask her to share this one.
Okay.
Okay. Let's open. Any questions before starting? Why you people are not asking any questions? So are you comfortable with all the topics what we discussed so far? Hmm?
Yes, sir, understood.
What is the difference between giant and subqueries?
In joins, we can join the n number of tables, but in subquery, um, we cannot like take multiple tables, but the output will be given from only one table. So the performance-wise, joins will give the best performance, but in subquery, the clause select and where from it will be executed twice. How many times we write the subquery, that those many times the clause will execute, so the performance will be low compared to joins.
Okay. How many types of views are there? How many types of views are there? How many types of joins are there?
If we join, if we join self join, left out, right out, cross join, and semi join, float.
Okay. Views? How many types of views are there?
Simple view and complex view.
So if you
Complex
drop the base table, what about that? For example, I have created a view on one table. If I drop the table, what about the view?
invalid state, it will be complexity. The status will be invalid, sir.
I have a table. I have a index, synonym. Okay, that topic is yet to cover, right? I'm looking for the document I updated yesterday, few things. Let me go through this document so that you'll understand where it is. See, in interview, they asked one question. Okay. So before going to the interview questions, I want to discuss something. Just I'm looking for the document. I only forwarded to her. Yes, that's right. So this is the document I already shared to her. Anyway, I will inform to her one more time. Okay. So the interviews questions, right? What we need to discuss. First one. I have a. I'm directly step into that interview questions. Okay. So because I want to go for a practical, but you people are. I'm okay for that. So you people are believe practicing and you are giving answer. So this is the. Let me go for. So this is the number. Okay. This is the input, but output I want. This is the one. Write a query. This is the query. This is the thing they asked. You got it right. So this is the input, but they're expecting output will be like this. So how will you write? So people are gone through all the substring and endstring, but this is the thing. Just you can stay with me. That is hierarchical queries. See, there is a hierarchical queries as concepts available in R. What we'll do? Select. Okay. Level from dual connect by level less than or equal to this value PQ. Okay. If you run the query, what is output? What is output? It is splitting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So what I will do, right? There is a with class. Do you remember I used to say the with class? Okay. With some name. Uh, your batch is right. Your batch 1011. Just I'm giving some name. You can give any name. Okay. As bracket open, bracket close. Then select star from or I'll give the one column alias name. Okay. Call one I'm giving. See, nowadays this type of question asked. We'll talk about all in these kind of scenarios in SQL. Okay. So definition, syntax, I'll provide in the document if you go through that one. But wherever if you want to more deep analysis, I already identified and I'm giving the explanation. On top of that, if you want more information, please ask me. I'll go through. Okay. So here, call one. I'll put call one from. This is the table. See, if you using the with class, what will happen, right? It is like a one temporary table. Okay. Now I will use the with list tag. List list tag. So what it will do list tag, right? Let me go through this. You get an error. Yes. So list tag is a function introduced in the Oracle 11G. Remember this point. Okay. Within a group over. So I with class I'm clubbing this. Let me try it. Parenthesis. Yesterday only I tried it. Okay. So the first one, the level. Second thing is select a class, comma, with the group is this is the batch. Okay. So here, why it is getting, you should get it aware of this list tag. We have to write like this. Column, not this semicolon. Okay, I'll split it here. See, there is a two question. First, I remove this. First, we need to split it. Then we have to combine. So just let me run the query. I'll take one more session. I have a less time, right? So there is a one more question. They asked me print 1 to 10 using the select statement, using the SQL one. This also, see, this is kind of out of syllabus, but just I'm giving information to you. Okay, it is asking 7 years, 8 years experience guys. They used to ask this type of questions. Let me get it the connection so that we'll get to know. I'll write notepad here. So there is a multiple questions asked one of interview. So just I want to discuss with you people, then I'll start that regular work. This is taking long time. Let me give this query. This is a correct query. To try with your system also and let me know. Able to copy also. I'm taking the screenshot, I'm pasting to you. Okay. Just to try this, you will get to know this order. So not only one, two, three, if you give duplicate also, it will be behave like this. Okay. It will be behavioral correct way. Okay, apply to system. I'll take one more SQL developer. Let's see. So you are all in Bangalore and you are all in looking for a, I mean, or anyone feels looking for any SQL and PL/SQL, or you are looking for an app. Hello, you are looking for a Oracle apps or a PL/SQL? Just I'm asking. But hello, are you
Sir,
able to hear?
join for complete Oracle Labs.
Okay. I think nowadays Oracle apps is more demand. Oracle Fusion.
But we are getting training under Oracle EPS.
Yeah. See, this is SQL. You may something this difficulty, but PL/SQL I explain more because I worked on almost 2 years in PL/SQL up to today. I can explain. So I want to discuss this field. See, nowadays they are not asking about the definition, syntax, and all. They are asking more questions. So if you know at least the subject, then we'll go for a interview questions. That's what I theoretically I completed. Then I'm coming to the practical. In practical, I'm putting one easy thing, one complex things. Both I'm handling. So that's the reason I'm taking one class extra. Let's see. It came. That is good. Somehow it is hanged. Okay. Let there is a one more. This is the answer for that. You know, this one. I'll writing one more query here. So they asked me to print 1 to 10. So then let me open it. I don't know. This database is taking too much time today. So select level same query from dual connect by level less than or equal to 100. So if you execute this one right, we'll get to know sequential number. So this is the answer. They ask me sequential number. Okay. And also they asked me one question. I'll ping you these queries. Again, it will be select. Okay. So the question is Oracle, Oracle. How many times repeated one letter? How many times repeated wo? It's 2 times. Want to display the count. So how to display? So that time, what you need to write? First, you need to take the select substring. See, remember this bit. First, I'm reading the substring. In substring, I'll put here. Okay, comma. I'll put one more function replace. In replace. Hello, you people are listening or
Using
okay? I want to give you this query to you all. Okay, I'll ping this query in SQL. Okay, the screenshot and all, it will not going to work out. Okay, so just what we'll do, right? We'll replace wherever O is there, right? Wherever O is there, right? Just I want to replace with a null. You can do right like this. Length of the this one minus length of, see, these are the query asked by in interview. I am writing in front of you. I didn't practice and all anything. So in length, we'll use the replace here. Replace wherever, if you see here, O, comma null. So here is the length. This from the doing. So what is the length for this? Is the tool is the length. Okay. Then minus, if you run this, just I'm splitting this one. If you run this, so now if you run this, now we'll get to know how many times are repeated. Two times. We'll get to know two times. Okay, O is repeated two times. So this is the query. Okay, so now we'll go for our regular work. Okay, these are the queries they asked me, not me. One of my friend asked interview questions. So these are all things you can go. Okay, these are the small function, but what are the important things? I already mentioned here with examples. Okay, now we'll go for a types of join. First, equi-join. I'll see the same thing. I'll copy paste here. So I only prepare this query. See equi-join example. So we want the practical is missing, right? What happened? So in equi-join, what it will do? So using the equal operator, okay. So the both the tables data it will be displayed. But here our table is department D number. Okay, so D number. So if you run it, here is the employee number. If you run it, you'll get to know complete details. So that is a equijoin. So in equijoin, only equal rows. So if you see observe right, only equal rows. So the department and department is matching, will get in. So same thing, if I'll go left outer join, so how will you write? Can you guess? Can I write like this? It will throw error, or it will, what kind of join it is?
Left outer join.
So the plus symbol should be left outer join, it right side or left side?
Right side. Right
Right.
side.
I mentioned same thing here also. This is a symbol we need to write here. But my version is low version. You can able to access this. So this is left outer because I'm giving right. Only the plus symbol is found. Okay, but in real time we will use left outer join like ANSI standard we will write. That is also I'll show you. Okay. So right outer what will it will do? Matching rows from the both the table, non-matching rows right side of the table, the EMP table. If you see here, right? This is the non-matching rows. I'll put null. Okay. This is the one. Right outer will try here. Left outer also will try. This is the right outer. This is the left outer. So here I'll put e name. EMP number. Here is the D number. Should be executed. I don't know why it is some spaces or something will be there. Maybe the D number. But you can try this one. I'll ping you this queries. Thing is mine is old version also should work, but I'll check. So these are the queries. So these are the important queries for here. Okay. This one I'll check. Maybe my settings are something I'll verify after this class. So now we'll go for a new topics. Okay. What is the inline view? So instead of a table, we are writing one more query. Okay, inline view, inline query. On top of the query, if we created a inline view. Okay, there is a one more example. This is the interview question also. In the view, force view. See, without table also we can create a one view with the compilation error. Let me go here. So sometimes what will happen, right? So we created a view. See, create force. This is the very important. Okay, create or replace force view name as select star from some table name will be tab. These are the table is not present in the DB. So even though the table is not present, we can go ahead and create the view with the force command. The view is created is a compilation error. Okay. So this is a compilation error. We'll get the view. This is also one of the interview question. Okay. Then synonym. For synonym, we need to go for a explanation. One second. So for example, in the DB, okay, so one table is there here. The schema, one table is there. This table, I want to give the access to the UI. Your R class front end like this, I can give you. But while giving, I want to hide that actual name. I want to give the different name. So which means we are giving the alias name for the table. See, if people may ask the alias name, we are giving this query. For example, if you see this document, okay, we are giving the alias name here. The alias name will be E, comma D. That is temporary alias name. Okay. But I want to give the permanent alias name called the synonym. So we have a two types of synonym, public synonym, private synonym. Just we are giving the alias name for that object. See what are the object we can give alias name. So far we have created the table. Table also we can give you view. View also we can give you. Actually, I created one synonym. On top of that also I can create one more synonym. Remember this point. So what I'm trying to say, I want to actually hide the table name. I can give the alias name. Using the synonym, I can give. Actually, I want to hide the view name. Then I need to give the temporary. That is also I can give you. There is a synonym I created. On top of that, one more synonym also we can create. So we'll see. Understood, right? That's simple thing. So there is a two type, public and private. We always go for a public. If we create a public, there is no use of synonym. Okay. So I'll create a synonym for EMP. EMP underscore synonym 110 EMP. Okay, these are the synonym I want to create. So if you run it, synonym got created. So my question is, for EMP, instead of writing the select star from EMP, I can write this as a table. Okay, so whatever the data is there in EMP, same data available in this here. Okay, next one, the interview people they will ask, right? Can I create a synonym on top of that another synonym? Yeah, we can create. If you say answer, they will ask to write a query. Then create public or synonym. This is synonym name. I'll put one more one. Okay. Then 3 ones is a new one. And what is the synonym? We just now we created EMPCs 1011. That I will put it instead of a EMP. I'll keep here. So then now you should tell whether it's create or not. Based on that, so this created or not, created a synonym on top of that another synonym. Now, if I drop the synonym, drop the synonym name. This is I will drop. Before dropping, I want to write a one select statement. Select star from newly created synonym. So first I created a, this is the synonym double one, the ending numbers. On top of that, I created a triple one. Now double one I want to drop. So before dropping, just I want to execute this select statement. You will get the same data, EMP data only because the base, this is EMP. Now if you drop here, so what is the, while dropping, what is the error we are getting? If people has to read this. Private synonym to be dropped does not exist. So what should you do? Drop. While doing the drop, can we drop the synonym or not? First of all. Hello? So the hello, you people are listening or how it will be? Hello? So basically synonym is nothing but a alias name. So you can create a synonym on table and view. I can create a synonym on top of the another synonym. Now I want to drop one synonym. On top of the synonym, what will be the status? While dropping, what will it drop? While dropping, what is the error we are getting? So synonym name may be listed in the query. See, unless and until if you drop first this synonym, first I need to drop, then I can drop this. Okay, so this is a sequence we need to follow. So I'm stopping here. So tomorrow we'll continue from synonym, sequence, indexing, and few are the interview questions. Analytical function, I'll explain to you. So after that we can close it. Okay. So I have 2 minutes time. If you have asked any questions, please ask me.
Sir, for yesterday's session, I have not attended. So that video has not been uploaded, I guess.